Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. In this video I am going to show you how I made 270 greenbacks on YouTube without recording any films, so you can begin and you can begin incomes. Money today, you don't actually need any subscribers, you do not want any abilities, you don't need even to pay for any software, so something like that. So this is absolutely loose. I'm supplying you with guys. This approach, this ought to be the most precious technique in 2019, so make sure to watch this video to end from the starting to the stop, because you do not need to miss any treasured statistics. Earlier than we leap directly into this video, I need to ask all of you guys to join my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed already, due to the fact we are freeing every unmarried day movies from now on a way to make cash online, how to make money on YouTube, so that you don't need to overlook that out. So ensure to press that subscribe button. So guys, let's soar immediately into this video. So how to earn $270 on YouTube with reproduction and paste gadget. So I am going to display you some of my incomes first, and then I am going to show you guys step by step the way to do it, so that you do not need any subscribers. As I said, you can do it with 0 subscribers. You can do it without recording any video you don't want to. Don't forget or make videos, and I am going to reveal you how you can use other motion pictures to do this, so you do not want cranium remarks or something like that. This is going to be sparkling new technique which you haven't visible already. So right here you may see 2 days in the past I have made 169 greenbacks and 54 cents. In the day gone by I've made a chunk much less, but I virtually didn't try this a lot to make that type of money. That is a lot of money for doing something for much less than 1 hour. So I am going to show you exactly. So first element which you want to do is you need to find a popular area of interest on YouTube, and I am going to reveal you guys how to do it. So I'm going to expose you a number of the famous niches on YouTube. That is surely weight loss, but you may already know a number of other popular niches. I'm going to also show you a number of the examples, so you can see these videos are getting millions and thousands of perspectives. So I'm going to show you how you could use different people's views and subscribers to make cash for yourself. So if we click on, for example, in this video, and you may see this video has almost 4 million perspectives. So that is a lot of humans, and you have not taught about not unusual choice. So how many perspectives this comments whole. So loads of you guys, you may already recognize I do that for my part. So after I watch YouTube motion pictures, I like to examine some feedback. So these comments also get apes and lots of perspectives. So shall we embrace if this video were given 1.3 million perspectives? Those feedback may additionally got around, let's say 1 million views, or perhaps shall we say 800,000, but it doesn't truly rely in order. That is lots of ice in this remark selection. So I am going to show you guys how you may use this remark choice to pressure site visitors to your YouTube channel, and from your YouTube channels how you may make cash without sincerely recording movies. So this is something virtually surely crazy. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So we've got found a famous area of interest. We've got determined a few famous motion pictures. You could see there are tons and lots of movies that are getting tons and tons of views, so that you can do it for each and every single video proper. Here subsequent element which you need to do is you want to signal up for clickbank. So the clickbank is affiliate market, wherein you could discover a few virtual merchandise and promote them for high commission. The cause why you get high commission is because there are digital products, so that they don't have any distribution. They do not need to make the product. There are not any expenses for delivery making the product. So that is why you're going to get from 75 to 90% fee on every sale. So if we click on associate marketplace and we scroll on some of the categories right Here let's examine if they provide some health and health products. So you can see this is health and fitness category. So if we click on that, we're going to see some of the pinnacle promoting clipping products on weight reduction niche. So essentially this flat belly is surely the product. This is going to help your clients to lose weight. So there are heaps and tons of merchandise, and what you want to do is you need to appearance how a great deal cash you are going to make for every sale. So your commission is 70% on common in keeping with sale, and those 70% are truly round $37.40. So for every sale for this product through your affiliate link, you are going to make $37.40. So if we stated that I have made 270 greenbacks, that is sincerely around, let's consider 5 sales consistent with day to attain that $100 in sooner or later. So that isn't always virtually quite a few people that simply imagine, simply believe 5 income. You want 5 humans to buy this product. The maximum crucial part is you could see that with a few up sales you can earn $66 according to sales. So if you get loose sales like this 66, you are going to earn $200 in keeping with days. So this is without a doubt lots of money with a little bit of work. So I am going to reveal you men how you may get site visitors to your associate link without actually posting videos, without truly having a number of subscribers. So ensure to watch this video till stop. So next step, whilst we have signed up for ClickBank, and I genuinely didn't show you men how you can join up for ClickBank. So simply go on clickbank.com and click on create account. So it's far honestly smooth. In only some seconds you'll have your ClickBank account simply into your personal fax banking, statistics and account information, and after you get your ClickBank account, you're true to head subsequent component that I'm going to expose you guys is you want to discover the product related to your area of interest. So we've found the product as I showed you men. So right here you could see our product is flat stomach fix. So that is our product that we are going to use to sell. Step 4 is create small promotional video. So that you do not truly want to create video, as I said, you don't want to make any films. So we're going to use Wave Video. Simply cross on Google and type a video so that you can see the name of this software program. So essentially it's far unfastened software, and you'll get a few watermark, but it doesn't sincerely count number because we are going to use it at no cost. If you don't need that watermark, you can buy complete version. However, I definitely don't use from complete model, so you don't need to buy this complete model. Additionally, so here you can see there are tons and lots of videos that we can genuinely use on our YouTube channel, and you can just trade the text on the video. So I'm going to expose you men how you could do it. So if we cross on enterprise and we're going to search something related to weight loss or something like that, so let's find the primary one. Just a second, I don't see any weight loss video right now. Great movie tonight. Now not that. So we're trying to find ideas we don't want. Let's examine this nice exercising for weight reduction. So let's examine how this video not so that is a number of this is not surely the nice video for our channel. However, I'm going to honestly use this video because I have something in my mind that we can use this video, but there are lots and lots of videos on a completely video that you can honestly use them and put up those videos in your YouTube channel. So I clicked on edit video, and we are going to change them a few textual content in this video. So this video is virtually 11 seconds. So what are we going to do right now is we are going to mention need to lose weight speedy at 2019. Let's assume without swimming. I simply given you men an example due to the fact this isn't definitely the precise video for our advertising. However, I'm simply giving you men an instance. Click our see more, and we are able to put our call of the internet site. It would not certainly be counted. We will put our associate link right here. So if they don't know how to place the way to click on the link in description, and we can make this a bit longer. So let's say we are going to make this 22 deci video. So am going to tug this to 20 seconds or 19 seconds, that easy now. So let's examine our video looks as if need to lose weight fast in 2019 without swimming, without I don't even realize what is that this, and without yoga. So essentially click the hyperlink now within the description to see greater. So I assume that is something that is not the pleasant video for our merchandising, but you get the point. How you may do it due to the fact I have never located the precise video that you could use for this promoting, but nonetheless did this may paintings. So you don't want to make precisely the identical video you want to suppose. Little bit I understand you men are smart, so I understand that you can create a few small 10-2D video 150 second video in your YouTube channel, and you'll submit this video to your YouTube channel. So what you want to do is you need to upload this video to your channel and publish affiliate hyperlink in description. So how to get associate hyperlink? Just go on click link as I said and click on promote, and you will have your account or associate ID. So essentially without and with your associate ID you're going to get fee. So just into your associate identification and click on generate hop link. So if you can see, that is our cup link. So basically while someone clicks in this hyperlink and buys the product, we are going to earn 37 greenbacks and 40 cents. So that is lots of money, as I said, for one unmarried sale, and he, as I stated, you could earn up to 66 bucks, because whilst your client buys this product, and they're going to provide them a few upsells. So nowadays I'm going to provide a few other products for cut price, and in the event that they buy the one's merchandise, you'll also get commission on the one's upsells. So what are we going to do is we are going to move on tiny URL, and we're going to post our affiliate hyperlink due to the fact it's miles sincerely ugly and surely long, so we might want to make it a touch bit shorter. So you can see this is our associate hyperlink right now. So when someone clicks on this hyperlink, they are going to redirect it to our hop hyperlink, and they are going to be redirected to the provide. So when someone clicks in this link, simply to reveal you men, so while someone clicks on this link, they're going to be redirected to the provide, and if a person buys the product, you are going to get fee on that. So let's put our affiliate identity proper here, and also you also need to, while you add this video on your YouTube channel, you want to publish associate hyperlink inside the description of this video. So this is how we are going to earn cash on YouTube without even growing any motion pictures. So next component that we want to do is we want to post on, we need to submit comments on other associated motion pictures. So simply to reveal you men an example, you can do it to approach us, and the first way is I have this one comment proper here. This isn't always the video, so I think which video I have clicked first time. I'm not sure, I suppose that is the one right here. You could see this girl is the use of the exact approach that I said, but I do not absolutely suggest this one. I honestly suggest you second one. So right here you can see she posted a remark with her affiliate link. So essentially you may say, you may put up the comment, let's say this application helped me lose 90 kilos or something like that, assist me shed pounds very fast. It doesn't honestly rely, simply create your own version on the comment, and on the cease you could put this associate link. However, I don't simply propose you this technique, men, because a lot of your comments are going to get her ghosted, so that you don't want that to manifest. So what I clearly propose you guys is you could say that, as you could see, this video is outstanding. It really helped me. It also helped this program also helped me to lose weight very fast. You can test it out on my YouTube channel. So you are asking her viewers to click on your YouTube channel, and after they click on your YouTube channel, they are going to appear a video like this. So essentially this is a small promotional video for our affiliate, our associate offer, and when they watch this video, they may be going to see at the quote of this video that it's far going to mention click the link in description to look extra. So whilst they click on the link in description, they're going to see a page like this. So essentially this is an income video. So Basically, they may be going to talk approximately how to shed pounds, how this program can assist them lose weight, or very speedy. And if they truly like this product, if they purchase the product, you're going to get 37 greenbacks and 50 cents on the market. So that is, as I stated, plenty of money. And you're going to think about, yet quite a few humans are not going to no longer going to examine my comment. They may be now not going to click on my hyperlink. They clearly don't care, and that is proper, but you need to suppose that 1.3 million humans are going to look your comment, and you want a small fraction of humans to certainly click on for your YouTube channel, and you need once more a small percentage to buy the product. So you want simply 5 humans from this 1.3 million views, and they may be no longer. This is not simply the simplest video that you're going to publish. The comment you may post touch upon this one, and you may put a comment on this one, and you'll put a comment on this one. So there are heaps and heaps of videos with millions and tens of millions of views that you could absolutely use to make money for yourself. And the subsequent issue is that if this happens, so a whole lot of you men are going to mention, what if my remark would not get a lot of likes? So how must I rank my touch upon YouTube? So that is virtually simple, so that you can simply, if you have a few different YouTube accounts, you can use them to love your very own comment. So permits, see, in case you get 10 likes on one comment, it's miles going to be very clean to rank your remark within the pinnacle. So while someone posts the video, and when, let's say, this video become posted 3 months ago, we would not genuinely count numbers. So here you notice there are a few comments on the top with simplest 16 likes. So let's assume if you put up a remark proper here, and you like your very own feedback with 10 different YouTube accounts, you'll get ranked on the top of this remark choice. So this is actually a fantastic hack to get your remark in the pinnacle. So men, that would be it for the